Today I am going to share something that most cleaning product companies would rather keep secret. We will use a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. The main one is between 10 and 12 eggshells. Take your blender and place the shells inside. It helps if you break them into smaller pieces before blending. Do not worry, this will not damage your blender, it will only make the process smoother. If you like easy home ideas and DIY cleaning tips, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss new home tricks like this one. In my example, I am using 10 shells, but anywhere between 10 and 12 works perfectly. Now, we add regular kitchen salt, about 3 full tablespoons. Then pour in 300 milliliters of water at room temperature. Blend everything until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. After blending, you will notice a soft paste forming. Set it aside for a moment. I would love to know where you are watching from, so tell me in the comments. I always enjoy seeing how far these videos travel. You will see that the paste will naturally settle a little at the bottom, which is completely normal. Next, add dishwashing liquid, about 200 milliliters. You can use any brand you have at home. Add 2 more tablespoons of salt on top of the 3 we used earlier. That makes 5 in total. Mix everything carefully until it all combines well. You might be wondering what we are making. This is a powerful do-it-yourself cleaner that works wonders around the house. It can clean tiles, remove grease, polish metal, and more. The crushed eggshells act like a gentle abrasive, making this mixture incredibly effective. Now, let's see how you can use it in 5 different ways. First, for cleaning grout lines between tiles, apply a small amount of the paste directly to the surface and rub gently with a cloth. Without much effort, the dirt disappears and the grout becomes bright and clean again. Compare it to the next line, and you will see an amazing difference. Second, try it on a dull sink. Put some of the mixture on a sponge or directly on the surface and rub in circles. It quickly restores shine and freshness. If you see rust spots, scrub a little more firmly, and they will vanish in seconds. Third, it works beautifully on stainless steel or aluminum cookware. Apply a little paste, rub, and rinse. Your pots and pans will shine like new. It is an easy way to maintain a polished look in your kitchen. Fourth, it is also great for cleaning toilets. Pour some solution around the bowl, scrub lightly, and you will see how well it removes stains and whitens the surface. The result is a clean, fresh, and bright bathroom. Finally, for the 5th use, try it on floors with stains or dirty spots. Apply a small amount, scrub with an old sponge, and the dirt will come off easily. For stronger stains, let it sit for a few minutes before wiping. Tell me in the comments which of these 5 uses you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Share this amazing recipe with friends and see who discovers another creative way to use it. Thank you for watching, sending you a big hug, and see you in the next video.